Most people believe a luxury Barndominium interior requires a $250,000 investment, but they're looking at the wrong materials. We are taking this skeletal metal shell and turning it into a high-end estate using industrial-grade finishes for only $60,000. Stop overpaying for luxury and start sourcing smarter for 2026. I'm about to reveal exactly how to get marble floors, chef-worthy kitchens, and designer lighting without the designer price tag. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share the single biggest mistake that destroys budgets and how to avoid it completely. Let's get into it. But first, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell because you don't want to miss our upcoming videos on cost-saving Barndominium hacks that most builders won't tell you about. The luxury illusion. Here's what the industry doesn't want you to know. In 2026, traditional interior finishing for a 2,000 square foot Barndominium runs between $80,000 and $200,000. That's $40 to $100 per square foot just for the inside. Custom cabinetry alone averages $18,000 to $35,000. Hardwood flooring costs $10,000 to $16,000 installed. High-end countertops run $8,000 to $15,000. But here's the secret. Those luxury finishes you see in million-dollar homes, 80% of them are industrial materials dressed up with good design. The polished concrete in that boutique hotel, same material as your foundation slab. Those stunning exposed beams, often hollow faux beams costing $50 instead of $500. The stone accent wall, manufactured veneer at 1/5 the price of real stone. The Barndominium gives you the perfect canvas for this approach because the industrial aesthetic is already built in. You're not fighting against the structure, you're enhancing it. Flooring, the $10,000 transformation. Let's start with the foundation of luxury, literally. Traditional thinking says you need hardwood, luxury vinyl plank, or tile. But you've already paid for the best flooring material there is, your concrete slab. Polished concrete costs $3 to $5 per square foot, compared to LVP installation at $10,000 to $16,000 for a 2,000 square foot space. We're talking about $6,000 to $10,000 total versus $10,000 to $16,000. That's an immediate $6,000 savings, and polished concrete actually looks more expensive than most flooring options. The process is simple. Grinding removes the top layer, revealing beautiful aggregate. Staining adds color from warm earth tones to dramatic charcoal. Sealing provides a glass-like finish that's virtually indestructible. The result is a modern, industrial chic look that requires zero maintenance and lasts forever. For areas where you want warmth, add large area rugs. A quality 10 by 12 rug costs $300 to $800 and creates defined spaces without covering your investment. Budget $2,000 for strategic rug placement and you're still saving $4,000 to $14,000. Kitchen cabinetry, the smart swap. The kitchen is where budgets typically explode. Custom cabinets in 2026 average $18,000 to $35,000 for a standard kitchen. But ready-to-assemble cabinets made from quality plywood and solid would offer custom looks for $6,000 to $10,000. Here's the strategy. Order RTA cabinets in simple shaker style. These timeless designs work with any aesthetic and are easy to modify. Choose painted MDF doors which cost half as much as wood but look identical once painted. Add quality hardware because hardware makes or breaks the look. Budget $500 to $800 for drawer pulls and knobs that feel substantial. Mix and open shelving for visual interest and cost savings. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood or stained pine cost $30 to $60 each to build. 6 shelves replacing 6 upper cabinets saves $1,200 to $2,400 while creating an airy, custom feel. Total kitchen cabinet investment, $8,000 to $12,000 versus $18,000 to $35,000. Savings, $6,000 to $27,000. Countertops, the material matrix. Here's where material knowledge pays off. Granite and quartz run $60 to $150 per square foot installed. But butcher block countertops cost $40 to $65 per square foot and bring warmth that stone can't match. For a 50 square foot kitchen, that's $2,000 to $3,250 versus $3,000 to $7,500. For bathroom vanities, consider concrete countertops. DIY concrete pour kits cost $200 to $400 and create custom shapes impossible with stone. The industrial look fits perfectly with Barndominium aesthetics. Another insider move is using luxury vinyl tile that mimics marble for bathroom floors and backsplashes. These cost $3 to $8 per square foot versus $15 to $40 for real marble, saving thousands while delivering the same visual punch. Lighting, the instant upgrade. Nothing transforms a space faster than lighting, and nothing screams cheap faster than builder-grade fixtures. Here's the play for 2026. Skip the big box stores and source directly from industrial lighting suppliers. Pendant lights over islands cost $150 to $400 each retail, but $60 to $150 wholesale. Chandeliers run $300 to $800 retail versus $120 to $350 direct. For a complete lighting package, including living room, kitchen, dining, and bedrooms, budget $2,500 to $4,000 for fixtures that look like they cost $8,000 to $12,000. The key is choosing warm lighting between $2,700K and $3,000K. This creates ambience that feels expensive. Cool lighting at $4,000K and above feels institutional no matter how much you spend. Add dimmer switches throughout for $15 to $30 each. This single upgrade makes every space more versatile and luxurious. Budget $300 to $500 for whole home dimming capability. Walls and ceilings, the architectural details. Drywall installation costs $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot. For 2,000 square feet of wall and ceiling space at roughly 3,000 total square feet accounting for both, you're looking at $4,500 to $10,500. This is non-negotiable, but how you finish it makes all the difference. Skip expensive textured walls. Smooth drywall with quality paint looks cleaner and more modern. Use accent colors strategically. One dark feature wall costs the same as painting a builder beige, but creates dramatic impact. The secret weapon is faux wood beams. Hollow beams made from lightweight polyurethane cost $50 to $150 each versus $300 to $800 for solid wood. 6 beams across a vaulted ceiling create stunning architectural interest for $300 to $900 instead of $1,800 to $4,800. Savings, $1,500 to $3,900. Board and batten accent walls create farmhouse luxury. DIY installation using pine boards costs $2 to $4 per square foot in materials. A 12 by 10 accent wall costs $240 to $480 and looks like a $2,000 custom feature. Bathroom strategy: maximize impact, minimize cost. Bathrooms sell homes and impress guests. The strategy here is focusing money where it shows. Toilets and plumbing don't need to be expensive. Quality dual flush toilets cost $200 to $400 and save water. Basic but solid vanities run $400 to $800. But shower tile is where you splurge strategically. Large format porcelain tiles that mimic marble cost $4 to $8 per square foot versus $15 to $40 for real marble. A shower surround needs 80 to 120 square feet. Using marble look porcelain costs $320 to $960 versus $1,200 to $4,800 for Real stone. Savings, $880 to $3,840 per bathroom. Glass shower doors are non-negotiable for the luxury look. Budget $500 to $900 per shower for frameless or semi-frameless glass. This is worth every penny as it makes bathrooms feel twice as large. For fixtures, oil rub bronze or matte black finishes look high-end and hide water spots better than chrome. Quality faucets cost $150 to $300 versus $50 builder-grade options. This $100 to $250 upgrade is visible every single day. Insulation and HVAC, the invisible luxury. This is where amateurs destroy their budgets by skimping. Proper insulation isn't optional in 2026. It's the foundation of comfort and low operating costs. Spray foam insulation costs $1.50 to $5 per square foot, but delivers R values of 6 to 7 per inch. For 2,000 square feet with 12-foot average ceiling height, you're insulating roughly 5,600 square feet of surface area, including walls and ceiling. At $2.50 per square foot average, that's $14,000. This seems expensive until you realize it cuts your HVAC costs by 30 to 50% annually. For climate control, mini-split systems are the smart choice for Barndominiums. These cost $3,000 to $8,000 installed versus $10,000 to $18,000 for traditional ducted HVAC. They're more efficient, zone each area separately, and require no ductwork. Perfect for open floor plans. The $60,000 breakdown. Let's put it all together for a 2,000 square foot Barndominium with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Polished concrete flooring, $7,000. Area rugs, $2,000. Insulation spray foam, $14,000. Drywall installation and finishing, $8,000. Interior painting, $3,500. Kitchen cabinets RTA quality, $9,000. Butcher block countertops, $2,500. Bathroom vanities and toilets, $2,400. Shower tile and glass doors, $3,200. Plumbing fixtures and hardware, $2,000. Electrical rough-in and finish, $4,500. Lighting fixtures, $3,000. Mini-split HVAC system, $6,000. Doors and trim, for $1,000. Faux beams and accent details, $800. Total, $60,900. Compare this to traditional finishes at $80,000 to $200,000. You're saving $20,000 to $140,000 while creating a space that looks more expensive than conventional finishes. The biggest budget killer. Here's what destroys budgets. Changing your mind mid-project. Every change order costs 20 to 40% more than planning it correctly from the start. That light fixture you decide to move after drywall is up? Add $300 to $600. The wall you want to shift? Add $800 to $1,500. The solution is detailed planning before construction starts. Spend 2 weeks finalizing your floor plan. Use free online tools to visualize layouts. Mark out rooms with tape on your slab. Live with the layout mentally before committing. Create a detailed materials list with exact products and colors. Pin inspiration photos. Make a decision matrix for every finish. This planning phase saves $5,000 to $15,000 in change orders. The $60,000 luxury Barndominium interior isn't a fantasy, it's a formula. Industrial materials with intentional design. Strategic splurges where they show. Smart savings where they don't. The result is a home that looks like you spent $150,000 on interiors while keeping $90,000 in your pocket. The key is understanding that luxury is about cohesive design and quality where it matters, not expensive materials everywhere. Your polished concrete floors are more durable than hardwood. Your RTA cabinets with quality hardware look identical to custom. Your marble-look porcelain is indistinguishable from Royale stone. This is the future of smart building in 2026. Stop overpaying for the same look. Start sourcing smarter. Your dream Barndominium interior is within reach. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, detailed guides on building your Barndominium without breaking the bank. Drop a comment below and tell me which money-saving tip you're most excited to try. And check out our next video where we break down the complete exterior finish strategy for under $15,000. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.